straight into the eyeshadow. Now, the first thing I'm going to start off with is a transition shade, and I'm going to start with these two. Then I'm going to place this above my crease. Next, I'm going to take this like really bright red kind of color on this small like smudger brush. And I am going to put this on my outer V. Almost like a giant wing. And then I'm just going to take this brush again, blending brush and the transition shade, and blend that out. Okay, I'm just going to do the exact same thing just to intensify the colour. I feel like it looks kind of cool. Now I'm going to be taking a flat brush, I think, like this. And I'm going to be taking this pink blush and packing that on my lid. And I'm going to take some more pink on my blending brush and just blend the edge of that. No, that's too like coppery. I think I'm going to take this one here for my inner corner. Really have to be whippersnippering right now, don't they?
They whippersnipper every day.
Now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to take that red shade and put it on the lower lash line. I'm also going to take some of this Stila glitter and also put that on my inner corner. So I'm now going to apply some eyelashes and do like the basic face makeup, and I'll be back. Okay, so I did some concealer, cream bronzer and eyelashes, mascara and powder bronzer and powder. And now I'm going to put some blush on, and I'm going to use the same one that I put on my eyes. And I'm going to go quite ham with the blush. Okay, now we're going to put some highlight on because you want to glow. Wait, why does this brush have something else on it? Pretty sure this brush is dirty. I'm just going to put more on my nose with my finger. I'm also going to put some on my chin with my finger because my brush is dirty, so. And above my eyebrows. Holy crap, that's a lot. And above my other eyebrow. I'm actually going to go back on my cheeks with my finger. Also for the face, I decided I want to try like some glitter freckles or something. So I'm going to take an eyeliner brush in my Stila like glitter thingo. Let's try some. Draw on some glitter freckles. Okay, that's my glitter freckles done. And now basically all that's left is my lips, right? This muted pink first. I should put some of this like peachy coloured one on because I feel like it's more similar to the colour on my eye. So this is the finished look. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!